So I get this as a gift for my husband, and the letters are literally engraved off the bottom of this. Like, I am very displeased with this. The knife is good quality, but the wood on it is not what I expected. And the engraving kind of upsets me, that the fact that it's just off the bottom. I am in love. A great gift for my husband for Valentine's Day. It's so beautiful. Very great quality.
I'm actually quite blown away at how nice this turned out. Like, super impressed. And this seems like real wood, but like the detail is exactly as advertised. That's amazing.